Can you make $800 a month from dividends with a $200,000 investment? Yeah, I'm gonna show you how. Now to do this, I'm gonna go ETFs over individual stocks. With individual stocks, there's just too much risk and you're either spreading yourself too thin or you're putting yourself in just a few stocks and that's a little bit too risky. Before I show you how, it would mean a lot if you smash that follow, save the video, left a comment, anything like that. Thank you. Now before you get all pissy in the comments, watch this whole video first. I'm going to start with an S&P 500 index fund, something like SPLG. Now, this does not have a great dividend, but it does give you peace of mind with a long-term high-quality investment. It's a solid foundation, and if you put $50,000 in just one time, it'll be worth over $800,000 by the time you retire in around 30 years. It does not pay monthly. You just have to do a little bit of money management here, but you get the idea. Everything else does pay monthly. SPHD is a great dividend ETF that does pay a monthly dividend. You would need 1,100 shares to make $2,096 per year, and that would be around $174 per month. Up next, I'm picking a real estate investment trust. Realty Income is one of the most highly regarded ones on the market with a very long dividend track record. Again, you're gonna have to buy a lot of shares, 940, would make you around $247 per month. And finally, I'm rounding things out with QYLD, which is a covered call ETF. So there are some risks to that. And the dividend is going to change monthly based on the nature of covered calls. I know a lot of people are going to get angry about QYLD. They're going to say the fees are higher than JEPI or JEPQ. Why not buy JEPQ? Why not buy JEPI? The fees are a little bit lower, blah, blah, blah. I'm not really worried about the fees. Anything under 1%, in my opinion, is still pretty low. People are going to say, well, with QYLD, you don't get any growth, but who cares? You already have an S&P 500 index fund, and you might also have QQQ or QQQM in your portfolio, and they also provide the growth that you won't get with QYLD. $50,000 in QYLD is going to get you 2,813 shares, which will make you around $482 per month or $956.50 per month when you add up all of these. And I know someone in the comments is going to say, well, that's stupid. Why don't you just take that whole $200,000 and put it in one of these, or put it in something like Altria, which pays a really high dividend? And the reason is because the comment said I want to be diversified, and this gives you diversification. So that's how you can make more than $800 per month with just $200,000 invested. Don't forget to smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.